Meet the Animals, episode 1208, Yellow Duck. Oh, wow! Who are you? I'm a yellow duck. Yellow ducks are just ducks. Some people call it ducklings. Where do you live? We live in North America, all over the world. We like to stay near fresh water. Wow, I like your feathers and your beak too. But what does it do? Our beaks help us eat. We use our beaks to chomp and eat all of the food that we ate. What do you eat? We eat kinds of grass. We used to eat something like food or anything. But ducklings may be lazy to eat, or maybe they're tired. They usually live or sleep at night. Who are your enemies? Sharks, killer whales, and jackals hunt us. But we can hide under. I'll show you. That keeps us safe from enemies. So if you have something to hide, what do you have to hide from them? So why do you have to hide from them? We use our head to go deep to duck. Get it? And we use our head to go back up. This helps us get away from enemies. I see a jackal! I'll see you later! I have to hide! Goodbye, duckling!
Little Fox.